Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Watch Fit 4 to an Oppo phone. First, ensure your Oppo phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, download and install the Huawei Health app from the app gallery or a trusted source. It's crucial to charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4 to at least 20% before you begin the pairing process to avoid interruptions. This initial preparation ensures a smooth setup. Once the Huawei Health app is installed, open it on your Oppo phone. Navigate to the Devices section, usually found at the bottom, and tap Add Device. From there, select smartwatches and then choose Huawei Watch Fit 4 from the available list. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm it on both devices to establish the connection successfully. After successful pairing, grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app for full functionality, including access to notifications and health data. Take some time to explore the various customization options, such as changing watch faces, setting notification preferences, and configuring health monitoring features. Remember to synchronize your health data regularly within the app to keep an accurate and up-to-date record of your progress. If you encounter any issues during pairing, a simple restart of both your Oppo phone and Huawei Watch Fit 4 often resolves the problem. Always ensure the Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Keep your devices close, within a few feet, during the entire pairing process for a stable connection. For persistent issues, consult Huawei's official support resources for detailed guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.